Hello everyone and welcome to another video by Dr.Teeth Academy. Today I will show you how to select the carver and grasp it in a proper way and see prerequisites for carving a tooth. First of all, we will know the parts of a carver. It has a shaft or handle, two shanks and two working ends. Handle is which we grasp, working end is the blade and shank connects the blade and the handle. In general, grasping techniques includes pen grasp, modified pen grasp and a palm grasp. This is a general pen grasp, how we use to write with a pen. Scalpel and other incising instrument using pen grasp for better precision. Almost all the dental instruments are grasped with a modified pen grasp for better control and stability. This is the normal pen grasp. This is the normal pen grasp, and when we move this index finger from here to over here, as you can see, it is called as modified pen grasp and modified pen grasp for better control and stability. Palm grasp is used where large force is required, like an orthodontic pliers, extraction forceps and air water syringe. In general, the holding technique is as such, and for opening and closing, when we have to extract a tooth or bend a wire, it is used in this way, and opening and closing we use this small finger to open the plier. We usually don't use this index finger because while snapping a tooth or closing the plier, we may hurt ourselves by pressing our index finger very hard. First, I'll show you how to hold a carver. Okay, this is pencil and this is the pen grasp or a pencil grasp, pen grasp. And while holding the carver, this is the pen grasp, the normal, but when you move this finger, this middle finger forward, touching the blade or near the blade of this instrument, then it is called as the modified pen grasp. From here, this was how I hold the pen, and now this is the modified pen grasp, and with this grasp we will now carve. And remember, the position of this, that is the body or the handle, makes it does make a difference for how well the instrument is held. Now if you keep this is a good place for holding a carver, and if it is quite over here, it becomes somewhat like a pen grasp only, and this in this position, how much hard you hold, but it is quite there is no such stability as it is over here. Here it is quite stable than it was previously when you keep it between this blade of the index finger and the thumb. And if you go further up, it may be strong, but use won't be so easy. So the best position would be over here, somewhere over here. Also you can find your own best place. Now take your first thing, what you have to do is smoothen the wax before starting your activities, so that you can see if is there any void inside that or not, or while carving, because while carving if you get some void in over there, then it will obviously ruin your carvings. So check whether there are superficial voids or not. Obviously you'll not know if there are deep voids. Now I have smoothened it. Now we can make the markings. Since it's been quiet for me, I have been carving, so I will not require scale to make the midline. But since if you are doing it for the first time or you are a beginner, then always use the scale and determine these 2 points, the distance between these 2 points, and find the midline and then make a straight line. Thank you.